What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got another exciting video for you today. This is a 2025 Lexus GX550 Overtrail Plus. This is getting a 2.5-inch Westcott Designs lift kit. It's getting some 285, 55, 22 Nitto ridge grapplers, which are a 34-inch tall tire. And it's getting some 22 by 9.5 Vossen HFX ones in the bronze finish. This is going to be amazing. The truck is like a hunter green color. The wheels are bronze. It's going to be a perfect contrast, I think. Perfect match. Let me know what you guys think. I'm about to get out right now and show you what it looks like. Here's our beautiful 2025 Lexus GX550. This is the Overtrail Plus trim. There is also a Luxury Plus trim that we've done a couple of that I guess it has just a little bit flashier accessories on it, but this one seems like it's more a little bit geared toward the off-road. It rides amazing. I just drove it around the shop. It's going to retain that same ride once we're done with this Westcott Designs 2.5-inch lift kit and 34-inch Nitto ridge grappler tires. We've done this package a few times in a few different variations, but every time it turns out amazing. We'll have to do a little bit of light trimming on the inner side right here of the back fender well, and then we'll do a little bit of trimming up front, but from the side of the truck, you shouldn't notice it at all. This is a beautiful green color. I think it's gonna go great with the wheels we chose, those bronze Vossens. This is a sale that Leo did, so I wanna give him a shout out here. He's a salesman at the shop. If you guys call up here and talk to one of us, it's going to be me, Leo, or Brandon typically. So it's not as many people as you think with their hands on it. So we're about to get this one started. Pretty excited about it. Stay tuned. Well, here we are back in the Lexus GX550, and I have to say, this thing looks amazing. I don't know if this is the best looking one we've done yet or not. You guys be the judge of that. I probably like the one we did 24s on the most, but this one is the best as far as the colors go. It's great. The bronze wheels match with the green paint amazingly. The customer's up front waiting, so I can't take too much time on this one, but I'm going to get out and show you what we ended up with. Here's our beautiful GX550. This thing turned out amazing. I don't think we could have done it any better. It's almost like the wheel was made for the vehicle. This is the Vossen HFX1 wheel right here in the bronze finish, matte bronze. Paired up really nicely with the 285/55/22 Nitto Ridge Grappler. This is a 34-inch tire. 34 and 1150 is really what it is. Nitto even puts that on the side for you guys to see, to be sure. The fitment is amazing on here. It looks great. Like I said, we did some modifications. If I didn't tell you, you probably wouldn't have noticed right there. Going over it, right behind the bottom of the front bumper there, you see a little bit. And then in the back there, we removed a little bit of the bottom of the fender liner there, and it was just an unbolted piece. And I think that's all they did back here, to be honest. We did the 2.5-inch Westcott design lift kit. Turned out perfect. This is something you could definitely drive on a daily basis. There's nothing about this that looks like it would limit you in any way. I wanted to say I appreciate it to the customer. The truck's going to be really good for whoever's driving it. I know for sure. The interior of this thing is amazing. Has some suede on the seats there. Really nice. I actually even like this seat cover he has in it. Pretty cool. I'm going to attach a price for a build like this right after this clip if you guys are interested. If you have any other questions or you want to build one and add your own personal things to it that you like, different than this, call me. My number is 678-994-9180. We're in McDonough, Georgia at Southern Tire. My name is Jake, and I appreciate everybody watching.